The most productive people you know don't have more discipline than you. They just had worse situations. Here's why that's scientifically true and what you can do about it. Researchers found that humans have a hardwired bias to avoid effort, not occasionally, automatically. Even when you consciously want to work harder, your brain is quietly filing an objection in the background. They call it effort-based decision-making. Your ancestors called it survival. You call it, I'll start someday. The logic is airtight. For most of human history, food wasn't guaranteed. Every calorie you burned had to be worth it. Go hunt and come back empty, you lose energy you can't get back. Rest when you can, move only when you must. The brain that conserved energy survived. The brain that ran around staying productive for no reason did not. So your brain developed one rule: don't move unless you have to. Which means motivation was never the engine, necessity was. Rent being due has motivated more people than every self-help book combined. Nobody waited to feel inspired when the utilities got cut. Nobody needed a vision board when the doctor said, we should probably talk about your results. Necessity is the strongest form of motivation, and unlike inspiration, it doesn't take days off, doesn't need a playlist, and absolutely does not care how you feel about Mondays. So the move isn't to find motivation, it's to engineer necessity. Here's how. Step 1. Raise the cost of not doing it. Tell someone publicly, bet money, book the thing before you're ready. Your brain runs on consequences, not intentions, so make doing nothing genuinely uncomfortable. Step 2. Make the first action embarrassingly small. Neuroscience calls this behavioral activation. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Don't start a fitness journey, put your shoes on, that's it. Your brain is bad at starting, but surprisingly decent at continuing. Step 3. Borrow someone else's necessity. Find someone with the same goal but more at stake than you. Match their pace. When you're around someone who has to do it, your own excuses start sounding a lot less convincing even to yourself. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. You're not waiting for motivation. You're waiting for the moment where doing nothing costs more than doing something. So stop waiting for that moment to find you. Build it yourself. Like and subscribe. The fact that you're still watching means something. Don't ignore that.